For nearly 4 years, I've been going bikepacking every month, taking my filming equipment and turning it into a cinematic bikepacking film for the YouTube channel for you guys at home. But it's time for a break. Life circumstances at the moment just mean I haven't really got the time I need to dedicate to do these cinematic bikepacking films and do them well. That's the main thing. I want to make them as best as I possibly can. And if I'm struggling for time, struggling for ideas, it's really difficult to do. Some of you may know I have a young son at home. He's just over 18 months and we have another baby on the way, which is the first time I mentioned this on a video. And to be honest, it could come pretty much any week now. I've also got a job of renovating the house, making space for the second baby, and I've also started a new job about a month ago. So I've got my hands full, as you can probably imagine. This doesn't mean I'm not going to be bringing out cinematic bikepacking films anymore. I'm just going to have a break. For how long, I don't really know. I'm hoping it'll be just over a month, but after that, we'll see. I am still going to be bringing out a couple of videos in the next few weeks though, but I just wanted to let you know that that's what I'm going to be doing going forward. This is the first time I've had a break in nearly 4 years doing the YouTube stuff, so I hope you understand. And I really thank all of you for being subscribers and watching my videos. It does make such a huge difference to me, and I'm really starting to see the channel grow quite quickly now. So I want to thank you for that. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that will be.